She got a boo-boo?
Come on, you want to go for a walk?
Oh, you heard the favorite word. You're going to walk him like that. Grievous, come.
I'm hoping you forget
Grievous.
about it.
Where's your leash? Can you go for a walk? Oh, you already forgot about it. Well, maybe not.
Here, where's your leash? Where's your leash? Oh yeah, we go outside? Want to go outside? We go for a walk? Where's the puppies?
Oh, God. Why tease them?
No puppies. Where's
Grievous. Is Pippi here? Where's Pippi? Where's Pippi? Where is he?
Go see. Go see.
Who is it? Who's here? Daddy gonna take you for a walk? Hmm?
Is it cold?
No, it's not bad. Oh, thanks for